Hi guys, Lachlan here from My Generator. Just going to do a quick video for you comparing two of the more popular portable camping fridge brands in the Australian market, and that is Dometic Waeco and Evakool. Really, you can't go wrong with either. They're both very good brands. They have slightly different reasons as to why they're good, so I'll just take you through a couple of different features about each brand to help you make your decision if you're considering buying either a Dometic or a Evakool. Starting with Evakool, they are based on the Sunshine Coast in Australia. They're an Australian family-owned company, and they've been around for about 25 years. They still have a national service agent network, so for any spare parts or support you require, you're covered around the country. Like I said, 25 years they've been around. They started making fibreglass iceboxes and have since developed into portable camping fridges and upright caravan fridges. Probably one of the more popular aspects of the Evakool range generally is that it's quite affordable. They represent quite good value for money. It doesn't have the brand recognition around the country that maybe a global brand like Dometic Waeco or Engel have, but it does represent really good value for money, and they make a good quality camping fridge. Primarily they'll use a Secop or Danfoss compressor, which is kind of a universal compressor for a lot of RV fridges. Other brands like Bushman and Kamek and lots of other different brands use the reliable Danfoss or Secop compressor. Evakool also make a really wide range of fridges, so they don't just cater to any budget, but they also cater to any application. They have these polyethylene models like the one here, which is really sturdy plastic. And they also have metal cabinet fridges, and they also have an impressive range of fiberglass fridges, which are very efficient as well. So Evakool, good value for money. This particular model is one of their newer dual zones, which is starting to become quite popular too. It has the capacity to control each compartment individually as either a fridge or a freezer, so very flexible, particularly for families going camping. I'll move over to Dometic now. Dometic Waeco has more brand recognition in the market. It is a global brand, and they are quite progressive with their products in terms of integrating new technology. That's one of the things that we really like about them. The compressors that they use for their portable camping CFX fridge range is a patented Waeco compressor. So they actually used to use the Danfoss Secop compressors. They've now created their own compressor with a variable speed motor, which is very efficient. So these CFXs are very efficient on your battery power when you're camping. One of the other things that we like about Dometic is that all of their products, whether it be upright fridges, the air conditioners they do, these portable camping fridges are very well backed up by service agent and national servicing support. So any spare parts requirements, any tech help, they're very good as well. So this is probably, this particular model has quickly become probably one of our best selling products across our whole site. It's probably the #1 camping fridge in the market. It's been around since late 2016, and it's the CFX 95 dual zone, much like the model that I was talking about here. It has two compartments that can be controlled independently as either a fridge or a freezer. Like I said, you can't really go wrong with either. It really depends on your particular preference. Look, you've got to pay a little bit less for the Evakool. Dometic is the premium brand that has all the bells and whistles. Good value for money here. You're getting the best of the best over here. I'll leave that with you. Both great fridges. If you want more information, check out my